In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Wix. If you want visitors to quickly find pages, products, or blog posts on your site, adding a search bar is one of the simplest and most effective upgrades you can make. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few tips so it feels effortless. Start inside the Wix editor on your desktop. Look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon, often labeled Add. This opens the panel that contains all the elements you can place on your site. In that panel, choose the category called Menu and Search. This is where Wix groups your navigation tools and search elements. Next, go to Site Search. If this is your first time using it, you'll see an option to enable Site Search for your website. Click to enable it. Wix will set up the search functionality for you, which includes creating an index of your site's content so it can be found by keywords. It can take a little time for this to load the first time, and that's completely normal. Behind the scenes, Wix is preparing your site's searchable content. If you see a spinner or a short delay, just let it finish. Nothing on your live site will break during this process. Once it's ready, go back to the same place you were a moment ago. Open the Add panel with the plus icon, select Menu and Search, and then Site Search. Now you'll see a selection of search icons and full search bars you can use. Click and drag the one you like onto your page, then drop it where you want people to find it easily. A compact icon is great when space is tight, while a full search bar is more prominent and encourages visitors to search right away. After you place it, the search element is ready to use. Visitors can type keywords, and Wix will scan the content that's been indexed to show relevant results. If it doesn't respond immediately, give it a moment. Your site may still be finishing its initial indexing. And that's it. To recap the flow you followed, click the plus icon at the top left, choose Menu and Search, go to Site Search. Enable it if you haven't already, wait for the setup to finish, then return and drag a search icon or bar onto your page. With just these steps, your website becomes easier to navigate and more helpful for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved site experience.